Hello, Professor.
Hello, hi.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us the time for asking the questions.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. For the first question, if you let me, I want to ask you, could you discuss some of the key trading strategies detailed in the series?
Yeah, so key strategies, one of the key strategies is the Kumo breakout.
Kumo breakout.
Yes, Kumo breakout is one of the very powerful and one of the main strategies of Ichimoku.
Yes.
And so it's also introduced in the first one, second one, third one, and the fifth one also talks a lot about that. And that's, I think, one of the key strategies, the Kumo breakout. But Kumo breakout has so many situations, and you have to exactly know which Kumo breakout is really powerful or not. And also Kijun-sen strategy is also very key. Depends on the Kijun-sen angle. You know exactly if the market goes bullish, bearish or not.
Exactly.
Yeah.
For the second question, can you explain how the books tackle the use of each component of the Ichimoku cloud? I mean, how detailed is the analysis provided for components like Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen, Senko span A or Senko span B and Chikou span?
Yeah, so each component are very important, but the most important is the Kijun-sen. Kijun-sen is baseline in English, so it's a base of all the Ichimoku 5 lines.
Yes.
And Tenkan-sen is supportive to Kijun-sen. When Tenkan-sen breaks the Kijun-sen bearish, that cross.
Yes.
If it breaks bullish, it's gold cross.
Gold cross.
So first, he emphasizes the strategy about Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and the cross of Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Then he added spans, which are called Senko span A, Senko span B, which are the Kumo, and Chikou span. And each line has their own strategy. There is a Kijun-sen only strategy, Tenkan-sen only strategy, and Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross strategy, and Kumo, Senko span AB angle or touch. The price touches Senko span AB and bounces or breaks. That's also the strategy. And also Chikou span has lots of strategies like Chikou span mirror, Chikou span divergence, which is your main strategy now. Chikou span divergence.
Yes.
So yeah, each line has different strategy by themselves.
Yes. I found in some communities that saying some of the lines are useless and we do not need to use them.
Right.
Is it true? Does in the main books point into this, for example, that if you did not want, you cannot use, for example, this line or that line? Is it mentioned such thing?
Well, it doesn't work that way. All the 5 lines are equally important.
Equally important.
Yeah, equally valuable.
Yes.
So you have to be able to use 5 lines and master it.
In some resources, I find that they said that, for example, Chikou span is lagging and it's not usable for us, or for example, the Kumo cloud is not usable.
Yeah.
So it's not mentioned like that.
It's not mentioned. He actually put the Chikou span for reasons.
Yes.
So if someone says Chikou span is useless, that means he doesn't know how to use it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
For the third question, if you let me, I want to ask you, how do the books suggest combining Ichimoku with other technical indicators for enhanced market analysis? Can you provide example of such combinations?
Yeah, he doesn't mention a lot about other strategies, but he emphasizes the candlestick patterns, which is Sakata Goho, the Japanese candlestick patterns. He emphasizes to use that or even master the price actions to really deepen your understanding about Ichimoku. So because they are like 2 wheels on the bicycle, so it's really important. Yeah.
According to you, as a legendary Forex trader, do you think that Ichimoku needs to combine with any other indicators in order to become complete, or it's complete by itself?
Ichimoku is complete by itself.
By itself.
So you don't need any other indicators to add. Ichimoku is by itself complete with the candlesticks. It's already complete.
It's a great lesson for a newbie trader such as me that I think the chart should become very busy and I should apply lots of indicators, lots of lines, lots of other indicators and systems.
Yeah.
Are there specific time frames or market conditions that the books find more suitable for the Ichimoku analysis? How should traders adapt to different conditions?
Yeah, so each market has different conditions, and every day, every week, every month, every year, the market's in different conditions. But Ichimoku applies on any market conditions, whether it's range, whether it's Kumo, whether it's trending, bullish, bearish. It applies to any market conditions.
Any market condition. Yeah. And in the Ichimoku book series, the author mentioned in which time frame does it works the best?
It works the best on a daily time frame.
Daily time
yes.
frame.
And back then there was only daily and weekly and monthly. Well, maybe not the monthly, only daily and the weekly time frames.
Yes.
Because there was no PC back then, everything was handwritten. So there was no lower time frames back then.
How is the performance of the Ichimoku on weekly time frame?
Weekly time frame performance is really great.
Really great.
Yeah, Ichimoku works really good on the daily or higher time frames.
Yes. You mean when the time frames go up, the performance, the win rate of the Ichimoku system goes higher?
Yeah, but it depends on the market condition. Yeah, if the market's in the suited condition by Ichimoku, then whichever time frame, whether it's a daily or the weekly, it works perfectly.
According to your experience, valuable experience, how much is the win rate of Ichimoku system in 1 hour time frame or lower time frames?
It depends on which strategy used in Ichimoku.
Yes.
But I would say the lower time frames, the win rate will be lower.
Lower.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Do the books include real-world examples or case studies? Could you share one and explain its significance?
Sure. So this is the first book of Ichimoku, and in this book there are 5 charts. But today, let me just show you one of the charts.
Yes.
It looks like this is Dow Jones.
Many thanks.
And this is all handwritten. Unfortunately, I cannot show it in the camera, but I can show it to you. So it looks like this, and there's ups and downs. But one thing he mentions in this book is to focus on the Kijun-sen angle after the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen gold cross.
Yes.
So for example, this red is the Kijun-sen, the black is a Tenkan-sen. So you see this is Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross, right?
Dead cross, yes.
And here Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen gold cross happens. And here after the gold cross happens, Kijun-sen is flat. Yes. So this is not the trustable gold cross. You never buy in this gold cross. But if you look at the gold cross after that, here, gold cross, Kijun-sen angle up. This is important gold cross. After that, the market goes all the way up.
Yes, exactly.
To the previous resistance. And here also there was a Tenkan Kijun-sen gold cross, but Kijun-sen was flat when it gold cross and then down. So when it's Kijun-sen flat and down, you don't trade. But when exactly Kijun-sen up, this is where the market bullish trend started exactly. So again, this is very much different from signal. Signals usually only traced by gold cross, dead cross. But he emphasizes which gold cross is important or which condition of the Kijun-sen has to be happening after gold cross or dead cross
This cross.
to be able to run the big bull run like this.
Exactly. In which time frame does this chart show?
This is a daily time frame.
Daily time frame. And which market?
This is Dow Jones.
Dow Jones.
Yes.
Yes. So the examples of these books are from the stocks market, yeah?
Stock market index.
Index
Yes.
markets. Very good.
Mainly Japanese stock markets and Japanese index called
Index.
Nikkei.
Yes.
Nikkei and Dow Jones.
Dow Jones.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So this is one of the examples.
Example.
But already you can see the powerful meaning of this Tenkan Kijun-sen gold cross.
gold cross
Yeah.
and this cross, as
Yeah.
you mentioned.
So yeah,
Yes.
next time wait for the Kijun-sen angle up after gold cross and buy.
Buy. Exactly. To the point. To the point.
Here also after Tenkan Kijun gold cross, you wait for the Kijun-sen to angle up, then you buy.
Exactly. It skyrocketed. The
Exactly.
candles
Yeah.
skyrocketed. Lots
Here
of,
also.
Yes.
Yeah, dead cross, Kijun-sen flat, don't sell, but Kijun-sen go down and sell, and you make profits.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Lots of different strategies here.
Yes, yes.
In even one paper of chart, lots of different strategies can be found here.
Right. So he also talks about which Kumo breakout is important, either here or here, or not important. But this is the Kumo breakout that is really trustable.
Exactly.
And he explains why
Uh-huh.
in this book.
Yes. Also, I remember that in the GTS course, you completely mentioned all of this and all of the fakes out and all of the strategies combining with your valuable experience and your valuable understanding of the market, which is so important.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Many thanks,
Yeah,
Professor, for your
thank you.
time and
You're welcome.
also for answering the questions. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, most welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oof.
Oh, that was good.
Thank